Hello and welcome to a little video today in the archives where we're going to be explaining the key differences between a non-residential CON29M and a consultant's report. So we found a really nice commercial building in Glasgow. So I'm going to draw around the commercial building. In this example, there is some mine entries within 20 metres of the commercial building footprint. So they have been highlighted there and they will show within your non-residential CON29M.
The details of the mine entries, you'll get them shown on the plan with the report, and you will also get any treatment details for them if we hold it. Some other features of the CON29M non-residential report, you will get a summary of the recorded underground workings beneath the property. So for example, it may say for this one that the site is within influencing distance of 3 seams of workings at 100 to 250 metres.
The report will also answer 14 of the Law Society approved questions. So they will be all answered as part of the report. And because this commercial building isn't changing, it's the non-residential report that you need. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at the same site, but this time we're going to be developing it. So first things first, you're going to need a much detailed report. The consultant's report looks at a much wider boundary for things like mine entries. It looks at 100 metres of that site boundary, so it will allow you to plan to see where those mine entries are.
Exactly, Lisa. So in this example, we've got 2 adits 50 metres to the north of the site, potentially running beneath the site we're looking to develop. So these wouldn't have been picked up by the non-residential report, but the consultant's report will not only show them on a large-scale plan, it will also give you coordinates for our best plotted positions for them. When it comes to the underground workings as well, instead of the summary that you get in the non-residential report, the consultant's report will give you a table showing seam names, the depth that they were worked, and the last date of working, which is much more useful for planning your intrusive investigations.
With the consultant's report as well, it will give you information on managed tips in the area, so that's something else that you would need to be aware of and plan for. And it will also give you mine water treatment schemes as well, so you get much more detailed information that will help you to plan out your site.
And yes, Lisa, I mean, we've just touched on a few elements of the consultant's report there. You'll also get detailed outcrop information with seam names and bearings, amongst a whole host of other information which will help you plan your development safely and properly.
So we hope you found that interesting, and if you would like more information, I'll put a link below.